In this video, you'll learn how to efficiently share the summary of responses from your Google form. Select the response option to record your answer and ensure the form captures your input accurately. Then, use the star icon to highlight important responses you'd like to find later. You can click the star again to manage which items are marked as favorites for easy access. Next, open the Responses tab to review the collected results and switch between form and summary views to streamline your workflow. You may reposition items or sections for better visibility and use the star tool again to emphasize key results. If needed, update the form description or organize it into folders, which helps you keep your forms structured and easy to access. Once your editing is complete, close the details and adjust settings such as enabling quiz mode to fit your sharing needs. Choose presentation settings, review important notes, and configure the collection of respondent details for more comprehensive summaries. Now, navigate back to the Responses tab and select specific summary options to refine what you want to share. Finally, copy the summary URL from your browser to quickly share your form's response summary, or enter it in a new tab to verify the shared content. You've now learned the steps to effectively share Google Forms response summaries